Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Aquarium and Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is my aquarium and I just got this aquarium from completing a quest from Fanya. And if you want to get the aquarium, the first one, you can complete a quest or you can purchase it from the store. And you can go to Fanya first, find her at the Winter Utopia. And wait a minute. All right, this is Fanya, and then I'm going to talk to her and visit her store. Okay, we can go to the fishing store, and then here we'll be able to buy the fish tank. Okay, after you get the fish tank, you can place it in your house and then you can add your fish to the aquarium or the fish tank. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can place your fish in the aquarium. Just click on the fish icon and then you're going to select the fish that you want to add to your aquarium. And I'm going to add the third fish. Okay, once you select the fish, just click on complete and then the fish will be added to the aquarium. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the aquarium in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.